Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the best ingredients for the best results. In this video, I will show how to make natural moringa powder. First, carefully select fresh, healthy moringa leaves from mature trees. It's best to harvest them in the morning, after any dew has dried, to ensure optimal freshness. Make sure to avoid any leaves that show signs of disease or damage, as this will affect the quality of your powder. After harvesting, it's crucial to prepare your leaves properly. Gently wash the moringa leaves with clean water to remove any dirt or debris. Then, spread them thinly on a clean cloth or mesh tray. Air dry the leaves in a shaded, well-ventilated area for several days. This slow drying process helps preserve nutrients. Ensure they are completely dry and brittle, snapping easily, before moving to the next step. Now for the exciting part, turning your dried leaves into powder. Once the leaves are completely dry, carefully remove them from their stems. Then, using a clean blender, food processor, or even a mortar and pestle, grind the brittle leaves into a fine powder. For the smoothest texture, sieve the powder through a fine mesh to remove any remaining coarse particles or small stem pieces. Congratulations, you've made your own natural moringa powder. To maintain its freshness and potency, store the finished powder in an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When stored correctly, your homemade moringa powder can last for several months. You can easily incorporate 1 to 2 teaspoons daily into smoothies, yogurts, or sprinkle it over your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.